Welcome to Visionary Designs. Today, we invite you to step into a tranquil retreat, a serene summer cottage garden that perfectly complements its charming, cozy cottage. Every element of this garden is designed to soothe and inspire, creating a slice of paradise where comfort and beauty meet. If you love discovering beautiful spaces and finding inspiration for your own garden, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Your support helps us continue to bring you serene and captivating content like this. Let's begin our journey amidst the vibrant flower beds that frame this charming cottage. Each flower bed is a celebration of nature's artistry, bursting with colors that captivate the eye and fragrances that soothe the soul. The flower beds are thoughtfully designed to enhance the cottage's quaint charm. A mix of perennials and annuals creates a dynamic and ever-changing display. The vibrant hues of dahlias, peonies, and lavender blend seamlessly with the cottage's exterior, creating a picturesque scene that feels both intimate and expansive. Imagine strolling through these beds, the soft petals brushing against your fingers as you take in the subtle fragrances. Each bloom is a reminder of nature's beauty and the tranquility it brings. The flowers invite you to pause, breathe, and enjoy the simple pleasure of being surrounded by natural splendor. Next, we arrive at the cozy retreat, a delightful seating area nestled beside the charming cottage. This space is crafted for ultimate relaxation, offering a serene escape where you can unwind and soak in the garden's beauty. The seating area features plush cushions and charming furniture, creating a comfortable and inviting spot to enjoy your surroundings. The soft textures and gentle colors are designed to blend with the cottage's cozy aesthetic, making it an ideal place for leisurely afternoons or intimate gatherings. As you settle into this inviting nook, the peaceful ambiance of the garden enhances the feeling of comfort. This space is not just for sitting. It's a personal haven where you can read a book, sip tea, or simply enjoy the tranquility. It's a beautiful reminder that even small, thoughtfully designed spaces can provide profound relaxation and joy. Now, let's drift to the heart of tranquility, a serene water feature that adds a touch of elegance to this cozy cottage garden. The garden lake or fountain is more than just a visual centerpiece. It's a source of calming sounds and reflections that enhance the peaceful atmosphere. The gentle ripples and reflective surfaces of the water feature create a serene ambiance, inviting you to pause and unwind. The soothing sound of flowing water adds a layer of tranquility, making this area a perfect retreat for meditation or quiet contemplation. As you watch the water shimmer and listen to its gentle murmur, you'll feel a sense of calm wash over you. The water feature's presence enhances the garden's peaceful atmosphere, providing a visual and auditory escape that perfectly complements the cozy charm of the cottage. Finally, we come to the enchanting pergola, a charming addition that adds both beauty and function to this cozy cottage garden. Covered in lush climbing plants and delicate flowers, this elegant structure creates a shaded, intimate space that feels like a hidden sanctuary. The pergola's design beautifully complements the cottage's quaint allure, offering a serene spot to enjoy the garden's beauty in a peaceful setting. The interplay of light and shadow creates a soothing ambiance, making this an ideal place to relax and appreciate the garden's tranquil charm. Imagine spending an evening here, the gentle light filtering through the vines and flowers, creating a magical atmosphere. This shaded retreat is perfect for enjoying quiet moments alone or sharing special times with loved ones. It's a beautiful example of how thoughtful design can transform a garden into a serene and enchanting escape. As our journey through this enchanting summer cottage garden comes to a close, we hope you found a sense of peace and inspiration from each lovingly crafted element. From the vibrant flower beds and cozy retreat to the serene water feature and charming pergola, every detail of this garden enhances the cozy charm of the cottage, creating a harmonious sanctuary where tranquility and beauty converge. If this garden has touched your heart and inspired you, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and favorite garden features in the comments below. If you enjoyed this visual journey, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell for more serene and inspirational content. Thank you for joining us, and may your own garden become a peaceful retreat, just like this charming cottage sanctuary.